What's up guys, it's Lauder from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to apply the glass effect into some parts of your image using Canva, okay? All into a simple, fast, effective, and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, review the left sidebar of your menus on Canva editor, okay, after adding your image to the page. Then all you have to do is move to apps, and into search you're gonna click and type glass maker, just like this, and here is the guide that we're looking for, okay? Now we have two options, export design or use selected image. I'm gonna use the selected image. Click on start glass effect, and right here you're gonna be able to play with the position of the glass, okay? You can change the position by changing the fields right here, just like this. For example, let me move it right here. Then you can change the stroke in the case that you want. You can change the shadows in the case that you want. You can change the size, the opacity. Every single part can be designed according to position and scale as well, okay? After changing, all you have to do is click on add to design. The Canva gonna create for you a new image. This image is present on your uploads, okay? So if you go to uploads, you're gonna find this image. And all you have to do now is position that image to your design, just like this. And into this glass effect, you can apply some piece of content in the case that you want. For example, like this. And here you have your design with the glass effect. Simple, easy, and effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.